Now, not everyone's Google Drive looks like mine. You can see that I use numbers for my folders to keep them in the order I want. Google Drive only orders things by alphabetical. If you want them in a different order, you do have to rename things and make them into numbered names to start. Now, if I want to take the top 10 things on my unorganized list, so I'm going to scroll down here, you'll see I have a bunch of stuff that needs to get organized. So what I do is I start right at the top 10 to see what I have. Sometimes it's easier to click over here on the right to do a grid layout, and then you can see a preview of what is in each one. Now, some things I may want to keep, some things I may not, but I'm just going to pick the first 10 things. Now, there's a couple ways to organize things. To move things into folders, you can always grab them, click, hold, and drag. Another way to do it is to click on the three dots, go to organize, and hit move. That brings up this moving folder that you can drag things into. If you don't see what you want here, you're going to click on all locations and then start in My Drive. Now, for me personally, when I'm looking at things like this, I know where I want to put them. So I go over on the left, and next to My Drive, there's a little arrow. When I click on that, it opens up all the different folders on the side. And all I have to do is grab it and drag it. Then it moves. So this one I created, I'm going to move it by clicking over here on coaching, creations for others, and click it and drag it. If this comes up, it's just telling you that it might change who can see it, and that's okay. So you can do it that way. Now, the next one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the other way to do it. Right here, I'm going to click on my three dots. I'm going to go to organize and click on the move. Now, this is a coaching plan, so I'm going to put it in my coaching folder. You'll see my coaching folder doesn't come up as suggested. So now I'm going to go to all locations, My Drive, click on the arrow, and coaching, and instructional coach info. That's what I want. So I'm going to click on the move. There it goes. It moved it right in there. So now what I want you to do is continue moving things, whatever works for you. You can either grab it and drag it, or on the left, you can use these little arrows next to the names to grab and drag. Or if it's something you don't need anymore, click on it and hit the trash can. That's okay. Getting rid of stuff is okay. If you delete something accidentally, remember on the left in your trash, it gets deleted after 30 days. So don't freak out if you accidentally throw something away. You can always go back in and delete it later.